This is my BBox 180 prototype. I just finished this set of prints here. These prints are in ABS because that's an enclosed printer, which is great for ABS. These pieces are Boron latches. They're really pretty neat. I hope to provide a link or a description to the creator. It's up on Printables and on GitHub. There's a great animation for it. These are latches that I'm going to use to enclose my second BBox prototype. I already put LEDs in. I just need to cut this large 4 by 8 foot whiteboard or hardboard panel in white. Here's a scrap piece of it. They're really easy to get. This is like 20 bucks. This will probably print out maybe 5, 6, maybe if you're lucky. BBox 180s, it'll close them up. So these are great. They make a really nice, satisfying snap. Let me see if I can show you how this is going to work. They basically let you snap the panels into place. They'll stay in there. They won't move around. I'm going to put 2 on each side, maybe 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, and that way the sides and the top will be easily removable.